Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is technical side in here in today's video. So today I'm gonna show you how to reset your Mac password if you forgot it or something. So whatever I take, it doesn't work. So first we're gonna hit restart and press CMD in R. Keep press these two buttons. Okay, now release your fingers. Give it some time until it boots. Give it some time until it boots up. Now we are in the recovery, so go to utilities, go to terminal, type reset password, hit enter. Okay, it gives me this user, that is me. Select next. It asks me for a new password. Create the new password again. And here type a hint so you could remember your password. Your user account password has been reset. You may report to sign in using your new password. But this method, if you don't have an Apple ID linked to this MacBook, if you have, it will ask you for the Apple ID password first. Then you could reset your password. Alright, so I will reboot to show you that I could sign in right now. Right, if we clicked in here, it will give us the hands we made. So I just gonna type my password. it logged in. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this and tutorials. See you later. Bye bye.